Hello, welcome to Lenny Studio. Sorry if that was wiggling. Okay, today I mixed up a bunch of paint last night, so I have oodles done here, but I'm going to do this one. I've just got to check they're all kind of thickish a bit because I did them last night. So I'll have to mix some. I'm going to mix this one a little bit thinner. Better. This blue and this kind of, I mixed all these paints myself so they don't really have names, but this is kind of a aqua blue, and this would be like I'd say a dark coral, and this is what I call my other coral, my light coral. They're quite different, but I still like it anyway. And then I've got some cream that I mixed up. It's in such a big container. I've got to pour some in a little cup so it doesn't run over everything. Alright, let me just pour a little bit of this in here. Okay, that makes it a lot more workable. Okay, so first of all, what do I want in the bottom? I think I want some of this coral, then cream. Oh, that part wasn't mixed that good. Then this dark coral. Oh, that's a little chunkier. And not more cream. It's got a lot of bubbles in that. Yeah, that's just about right. Then I'll pour in my aqua color, and then my dark coral, and then some more cream, and I think that's enough paint for that. Oh, I forgot to put my gold in. Oh well, this one will be without gold. It'll just be without gold. I have to put my paints all back where I got them from because I don't have room for them to be anywhere out there by themselves. Okay, oops. Okay, alright, now I'm going to pour this on just like it is. Oh, that's really pretty. It looks like sand, beach, water, sea, kind of like that. Oh, that's a whole big whack of that color there. Oh, here we're getting a little bit more color. This is going to be very pale. Very, very, very pale. Alright. Okay, I'm just going to turn this a bit. See what we get. Too much paint on here, I can tell right now. We're going to stretch it out anyway. Oh, I like that up there. Okay, I really don't like all that pink on there, so I'm going to give this a little spin, and I hope that's the right way. Oh, there's so much paint on here. much of that coral. Well, that's a big spin, but well, I'm not really that fond of that. I don't know what it'll look like when it dries. It might look okay, but I do like this zigzaggy blue stuff right here, and I like this. This kind of looks good. I just don't like that so much. I'm going to try to pour some of that off on a paper towel here. I don't think anything's going to go that way though, because I think I spun most of the paint off of it already. But oh yeah, there still is some paint left. Okay, we move this way. Get rid of some of that zigzaggy stuff there on the right on the edge. And yeah, I'm surprised that there's that much moving off of there. There are all these little bubbles. I can see them in the paint. It's still moving though, so that is one good thing. If I could, I'd like it if I could move that piece there right off. I'm going to try to, but I don't think there's enough paint left on it. If I could move that off, then I'd like that composition. It's just the blue, the pink with that cream color through there. It's pretty near going. Almost gone. Okay, it's gone enough that I can live with it like that. Alright. Okay. Now I like that better. I like that a lot better. Whew, I got such a mess everywhere. That's had too much paint on it and I spun it too hard. But I kind of like that. Kind of looks like oceany kind of feel to it. Kind of like the 60s look. And I know because I lived through the 60s look. Alright. Okay, I'm going to try to torch this. If I can make my torch work. Boy, the stickier they get, the harder they are to, the more paint they get on it, the harder it is to make them move. Okay, oh there, I loosened it up. Okay, please don't be a whole bunch of, oh, it just went out. This must be just about it. I thought I just about filled it. Alright, thanks for watching. So we'll see how this one dries. If it dries nice, I'll keep it. If it doesn't dry nice, I'll show you when I paint over it. Okay, thanks for watching.